Eager to try out the new iOS 18 features? You can now install the official public beta on your iPhone directly from Apple, and it's free. I'll walk you through the simple steps to get it on your phone. Before you do anything, back up your iPhone. Beta software can be buggy, and this is your safety net. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, select iCloud, tap iCloud Backup, make sure it's on, and tap Backup now. Wait for the backup to complete. Now, you need to enroll in Apple's beta software program. Open Safari on your iPhone. Go to the official website beta.apple.com. Tap Sign In and enter your Apple ID credentials. Scroll down and find the Enroll Your iOS Device section. Follow any on-screen instructions to register your device. Once enrolled, the beta profile will appear in your settings. Go to Settings, General, tap Software Update, tap on Beta Updates. Select iOS 18 Public Beta. Go back to the main Software Update screen. The iOS 18 Beta Update will now appear. Tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode and agree to the terms. Your phone will now download and install the beta software. This will take a while. Once you're all set, enjoy testing out iOS 18. If you have any issues, remember you can restore from the backup we made earlier.